Hey there crew, it's Mark. This is gonna be a real ragtag video today. We're just gonna almost be kind of doing like somewhat of a live stream because we're gonna be taking a look at everything that's coming out today from the Archer and Olive Halloween collection. This is my favorite collection of the year from Archer and Olive. It's been my favorite for years. I did get one of the notebooks in advance since I was on the Archer and Olive ambassador team and some stickers, which we'll take a look at. But more than anything, this damn Halloween box has me thinking I'm gonna blow my entire wallet because it's so cool. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything that's a part of this collection releasing today, Friday the 13th. This is coming off of their blog post that they had on their website that goes through everything. When I saw this photo right off the top, I was like, okay, like this is the fun Halloween stuff that we're always used to seeing. We've got this little ghost in this frame, which is the coolest. We also have the notebook in the middle. That's the one that I got. So cool. Then we also have the Raven in the books. We've done a lot, I feel like. Well, they've done a lot with Ravens and books and stuff like that. So if we take a look at the spines of these, always beautiful, intricate designs. I can never say enough good things about the direction that Archer and Olive has been going with their notebooks, completely differentiating themselves from everyone else out there. So the spell book is what I got. So I got mine in a big, huge B5 size because I wanted a really big notebook. And I feel like their Halloween notebooks always look so awesome. The spell book from last year, chef's kiss. So this has this really cool intricate door on it. The trees coming up around the door frame, like everything about this notebook is just so freaking beautiful. The cool little monster eye that we have in the center. Like if you were looking for any type of gaming journal or something like that, Dungeons and Dragons, like I'm only thinking about this just because we just did my little gaming journal. Like this is the deal. And I think it's the coolest damn thing ever. The inside of this notebook. I know the only people that ever see this on the inside of their notebook is us as users of the notebook. But look how amazing this pattern is. Like so incredibly cool. It's so intricate. It's so beautiful. And like I said, the spine of these notebooks, what is the, oh, stop it. You have the little peeky eye on the back of the notebook. I didn't even open mine yet. This is how crazy it's been around here lately. Sorry. Moment of pause. We have to take a look at it because I did not know that was a detail. Oh, stop it. That's the detail. So this is it in person. Talk about shiny, talk about amazing, so cool. And the spine, so cool, but I didn't see that eye. All right, sorry for that little sidetrack. See, look, how am I not opening stuff? What is my problem? All right, no, this is the cute ghost one. I know that Jess got this one because she said it's like her logo or something for her book club, and I just thought this was so cool. This isn't the spooky vibe that we usually get. You know, we didn't get anything like wizards or dragons or, you know, wands and all this kind of stuff. They did this really cool looking ghost, and what I love about this the most, I think that the design is cool. I love kind of this reverse print kind of thing, right? We're so used to getting outlines of things or line drawings. I love this as just like a flat white press ghost on here. And I think it looks so cool. Stop. I didn't even look at this. Do I want to get this? I feel like my daughter Viv would love this notebook. Like she loves cool drawings like this. I'm gonna lose my whole entire everything. I'm losing it all today. All my money will be lost. So these are going to be offered with white dot grid, B5, 8x8, A5, B6, all the cool sizes. And I didn't look at the spell book. It probably said up here too. Oh, they're only doing this. Interesting. They're going to do this in letter size for the really big, huge size, B5 and A5 for that. Interesting. Oh, that would make sense why I got it in B5, not square, because I probably would have also liked it in square. I wonder if they're doing this because there has been a lot of criticizing when they take a design and then they kind of shrink it or stretch it for different size notebooks. Like this wouldn't look good on a square notebook because you'd have to create like extra stuff on the side. Interesting. But with something like this ghost though, totally different story, right? You just have kind of your logo in the center of your notebook regardless of the size. That's pretty cool. All right, and then we have the Raven in the books. I feel like we got owls in books. We've got pens and books. These little book stacks, very popular for the Archer and Olive crews. Oh, stop it. Look at the inside of this notebook. Why are the inside of these notebooks now sometimes even better than the covers of the notebooks? Like, I like the Raven and the books, but like, I like this more. Give me a notebook with just those branches on it. Like, I'd be totally down for that completely. That's going to come with a white dot grid, B5, 8x8, A5, and B6 as well. So all of the sizes for that one there. So the only one that's not going to be getting those extra sizes is going to be this one here. So interesting that they did it that way, but I think it makes the most sense. I just love this notebook. I'm sorry. I just have to, now that I actually opened it and saw it in person, like I made a good choice. All right, so here's the whole breakdown of everything in here that we just talked about. So the spell book in vegan leather, I didn't mention that before. So you get the big, huge letter size, you get A5, that's gonna come in white dot grid or blackout paper. And then you're also going to have a B5 size, this one right here, in white dot grid or blackout paper. So love that it has the different options. The Raven is gonna be in the buckram. That's kind of like the linen, but not linen. Material kind of feels really cool. 8x8, A5, B5, and B6. The A5, B5 coming in white and black also. The cute ghost, the cutest of the ghosts, you have that in the same sizes as the Raven there for you. A5 and B5 in white or blackout paper as well. So really cool. All right, so let's go down into the accessories. Of course, we got to have accessories. And these are kind of cute. I don't personally think I'm going to go for them, though. They're not exactly my aesthetic. Like, I would have loved something more like the branches and like some of the other pieces. This is real cutesy, but if you're in a cutesy ghost, this is gonna be your kind of deal here. So you have 4 different washi tapes inside of the package, right? You buy the whole pack. So you're gonna have this ghost here with like, oh, there's a little devil, a little angel, a little lovey kind of thing, some stripes. These bats, they fit inside that cute aesthetic. And then also more of the cute ghosts with some things in there. So not my personal style, but if you like cute ghosts, that's your deal. Oh, we have other ones. Oh, interesting. I feel like didn't we get these moths last year's box, I want to say maybe. But this is the Raven and books to match. So you've got ravens and books. Wow. We have moths that are in here. We have some ferns and then ferns, cats and whatnot. It's interesting here. I'm just going to be a little critical of this, is that I don't think that perfectly kind of fits with the Raven and the books, right? Like, other than the on-the-nose Raven and the books washi, everything else feels a little bit different. I'm not saying that they're not really cool looking, but I don't feel like they're as matchy. Like, the ghost is like straight put on, right? This one's a little bit different. All right, let's move on though. I can see where some of the items are coming from now. Here are the sticker sets that you have. You have the cute ghosts that are gonna be over here, and you also have the Raven and the books. So a lot of the designs that are on this Raven and books, that matches with what's inside of this washi here. But I don't know. It's kind of like, I don't know. The Raven and the books are what they sent me as a part of the ambassador team inside of here. It's actually kind of cool. Again, I don't think it like perfectly matches with what the book is itself, but if you can see on here, you do have some cool like foily kind of feels on here too, with everything. I mean, of the two, this is the one that I liked the most. Of all the different sticker sets that they have this year, this is the one that I'll be purchasing. Even though they sent me the Raven one here, this I can use inside of my journal. This is lettering stickers, so really cool looking different fonts. I think these are really cool, easy to pull off, put inside of your planner, days of the week, months, kind of whatever you want. Adding this to cart for sure. Stepping a little bit aside from the stationery, but stationery adjacent, they have a teacup this year that is going to be this really cool mystic teacup. So in the bottom of the cup here, it has these kind of mystic stars and the moons and stuff like that. So I guess as you're drinking your beverage, it starts to reveal itself, which is kind of cool. It says it's going to be retailing at $23, which isn't that bad for a mug if you like that kind of thing. So the real reason that I'm making this video, honestly, is to talk about the Halloween boxes. The Halloween boxes are the coolest damn things ever. Hands down, always been amazing. Last year we got a glass dip pen and we got calligraphy ink and all kinds of cool stuff. And this design on this notebook alone, just the box design, is so incredibly cool. It's called Red Moon, and take a look at these boxes. We've got bats and branches, the Archer and Olive logo in red. Oh, it's so incredibly good. Let's see what's inside the box. So the first is the Red Moon. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Okay, the Red Moon notebook. Look how cool this design is. Oh my goodness. Debossed trees here. We've got a red foil moon reflection on here. The bats, everything. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is a reason to buy the box alone. Please don't steal my box. I need this box. You also have glow-in-the-dark washi tapes. These are all very cool. This is what I wanted. Okay. This is exactly what I wanted from the washi tapes. These are cool. The branches, the cool moon. That's a really cool spooky looking deal. And we've got the candles here. Like, this is it. This is it. All right, we also have glow-in-the-dark stickers. They're whatever. I don't mean that they're bad designs. I'm just saying, like, I'm not super excited about it. And the calligraphy set. Get out of here. 3 inks. What is all this? A wooden dip pen. It's a wand. That's a Harry Potter wand. Interchangeable calligraphy nibs. You actually get nibs this time. These 2 here, hell yes. And 3 calligraphy inks. Soot black. Oh, blood moon red and glow in the dark. I'm sorry. I need a moment. This box is better than last year. Get the hell out of here. Get out of the house. Oh, they look so good. The glow in the dark again. I don't know how often you're really using it, but that's cool as hell. Some of the glow in the dark items to take a look at. Stop. Oh, and then finally a pocket notepad. Burgundy, gray, and black. Oh my gosh, stop it. I might buy 2 boxes. All right, so sorry, I didn't pull it together. I'm excitable, right? This is excitable. This is awesome. This is what Archer and Olive Halloween is all about. So all of this goes up on the site today at 9 a.m. Central. That's 10 a.m. for me. I will cut somebody if they're in my way of getting this box. I don't care about anything else in this collection. I do care about everything in this collection. Everything about this box is absolutely amazing. The notebook, the washi even I'm slightly excited about. The dip pen, a wooden dip pen with nibs and 3 inks. Okay, so make sure you're up on the Archer and Olive website for the release today. Don't forget you can use my discount code 2, mark your pages 10. That'll get you 10% off everything you're buying. I wish that I could use my own discount code for this because I'm gonna be spending some money today, friends. I hope you have a great rest of your day and get what you want from this collection release because it is sick. This is sick and amazing. Yes.